Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining my YouTube today. I appreciate you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. So welcome back to my channel once again. So have you ever scrolled through Pinterest or Instagram and you realize you just falling in love with those beautiful and amazing hairstyles? You are at the right place at this very moment. So are you looking for those slightly messy braids that look like just wandered off a beach? Those are boho braids, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to get those hairstyle or that hair boho braids style look at home. Just sit at your home, get your extensions, human hair, 100% human hair, and braiding hair. We all know braiding hair, it's been popular, it's been around. So as you are looking at me right now, that's the hair I'm trying to show you. The human hair part is very important because we've been seeing all the amazing hairstyles that are around every single very moment. So if you are watching right now, it's easier than you think, I promise you. You don't need to be professional hairstylists. We are going to break it down step by step, from prepping your hair to adding those final magical touches that make it truly bohemian. Okay, so grab your hair ties, your texturizing spray, your hair extension. This is the hair extension I'm showing you right now. And from prepping your hair to adding those final magical touches that makes it truly bohemian. So guys, as you are watching, I've already talked about what you'll be needing. We all know this is a simple, it has been there for years and we've been seeing it so many years. So first, let's start about what you need. I've already spoken about it. You need energy as well. And the beauty of this particular style is super simple. Because I'm making my hair super short, I don't want it to be too long, I don't want it to be too thick. You see how the hair is. So you need to split the hair into sections. So there are so many methods, but this crossing method I'm using today is one of the easiest. So you don't have to go ahead and attach hair anymore. Because I will be going somewhere, my friend just called me to hurry up and come, we go eat outside. So I'm trying to make it quick. So as you can see, the hair was trying to be in my face. Imagine fighting with hair. Oh my god, girl. In Ghana we call it trimude. Imagine I'm having a fight or quarrel with hair. That is super amazing. I know it's funny and it's weird a bit, sorry to say, but it's one of the things, you know. You are using your hand, you're raising your shoulders, everything is being in the air. So you could imagine what I'm going through. So forgive me if I've squeezed my face. Imagine, oh my god, sorry guys. I'm not going to delete it. If I'm someone, I'll just delete that part out of my video. But I just left it in. So please forgive me to leave it in, okay? So you need a comb, you need a brush, you need preferably with a tail for sectioning, okay? So a few small clear elastics. They are our best friend for this look because they disappear into thin air into the hair. So some bobby pins that may match your... What is going on? Did you see the pause? But let's go on. I'll fast forward that side. If I did not fast forward it, then later we'll find a way to fix that problem, because I don't know what's happening. What's happening? Alright, so let's continue with the explanations. This is the product I use. So the best base for boho braids is a day old hair. Like if your hair is freshly washed, it might be too soft and slippery. But if you are able to dry your hair, you have a dryer that can dry it perfectly, you don't have problem. So if you can do this on a second day hair. But however, you can also do it if you know how to treat, if you know how to treat your hair so well. You can also do it on a day old washed hair. So if not, no worries, just spray a little dry shampoo at your root, moisturizing spray through your length. By all of this, make sure your hair is dry, okay? If not, it will start smelling, yeah, within some few days. So make sure it's dry, and make sure your product you're using is not flaking. So this is the product I use. It's gel. There is a way this gel, sometimes if you're not careful, the way you use it, it can flake. So whenever you finish the entire hair, make sure you spray your hair with oil sheen to prevent the flaking, okay? So this gives the braid something to hold on to and make that perfectly imperfect texture much easier to achieve. Give your hair a quick brush to detangle, but we don't want it to slick. A little natural wave or volume is perfect. If it's too slick, you are the best braider, okay? So let's create the base. Starting from the base, now we are going to start by creating a little crown base. Take a section of the hair. So this is the section of the hair I'm taking. Don't forget to cross it. Use a little bit of extension, and the one you are crossing should be smaller, okay? It should be super small so that it will match with the two legs. I usually call it third legs. So the third leg that you are going to use to wrap around the braid should be smaller than the two legs that you are holding in your hand. This will make it create even look with the two. So divide that section into 3, as I said earlier. After wrapping 2 times, cross the right strand over to the middle, then the left over to the middle. Now as you continue, start adding in small pieces of hair from the top and from the top. But sometimes I don't like adding it from the top because I want light boho braids. So if you like heavy looking boho braids, start adding your human hair from the top and side as you braid. So just take your time. The goal isn't a super tight perfect braid. We want it to be little soft and relaxed. So as you could see, I've added an extension. Mine is a bit different because I don't want it too tight. So let's continue. Keep braiding along your hair until you got just past your ear and to the length you are looking for. Then you finish off with a regular 3-strand braid and secure it with a clear elastic. Okay, for me, I'm using glue, super glue. You can use super glue. You can also use rubber bands, but use super glue. Or just, if you are a tight braider, you don't need all of that. You don't need a gel. You don't need any bands to hold them in place. So yeah, keep braiding. The goal is to keep braiding, because if you have a natural hair like me, it will take time to finish. Keep braiding along your hairline until you get past your the length you are looking for. Okay, so let's move to the next one. Now I'm smiling a bit because hey, it got to a point I wanted to cry because it was taking too much time for me to finish. It was getting too much time. So as you can see, I'm being serious over here. Over here, I didn't really explain it, but you could see. Charlie, please, please, Charlie, and please at the same time. Keep watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel when you watch. We are taking this page to billions of subscribers, so don't forget to subscribe as you are watching. So now take the first braid you take. You see, I fast forwarded it a bit. Sorry, my mouth is going faster than my brain. Sorry. And Oh, let me take a deep breath because we are going to do the exact same thing on the other side. It's just a mirror image, okay? Whatever you are doing, lining up here is the same thing you're going to do going to the other side. So tie the hair up again, tie the hair up, and take a section from behind the other ear, create another ditch, another braid, okay, working it across the back of your head. Secure the end, make sure you're securing the end and the lines you are parting. So look at this side very well. I'm making sure the lines I am parting are super straight so that it will make the styling of the hair easier, okay? The lines should be super straight, straight like a ruler. So tie hair up, take a section from behind. Did you see me applying the gel? That is how you add the gel to clean it. The gel will help you to clean any excess hair left in the middle. So keep cleaning. Now take the crown braid from that side. Look. So watch this side carefully. I'm going to take a section of it. Grab extension, keep grabbing extension. Now take the crown braid from the side, loosen it up. So here I'm wrapping 2 times. After you finish wrapping, braid downwards. And as you braid like 4 or 3 times, I told you earlier some people add from the roots after braiding 2 times, but I don't like it to be too much. I don't like the human hair to be too much, so I do not add from there. So keep watching. So in any part, if you feel a bit loose or unstable, it's time to check it again and make sure you are doing exactly what you needed to do. If you just tried it, are you going to let me know if you are trying this tutorial? The great thing about this style is it's versatility, okay? It's versatile. You can leave it down for romantic look or twist the bottom braid up and pin it onto a low band for something more elegant. So you can also add accessories, think a few delicate flowers. For me, I don't like adding too much stuff into my hair, but if you like, see, I guess I took a short video in between and see how amazing. And if you are trying this tutorial, I would absolutely love to see it. Tag me on Instagram or use the hashtag DiYwithPatt 2#. Then my Instagram is Sika Hair Glam. So check Sika Hair Glam out on Instagram. You'll find my Instagram account. Then don't forget to let me know if you try this simple style. And if you find this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more hair tutorial. So let's go to the melting or relaxing part. Over here, when you use a hot towel, sometimes when the hair is long, you can dip the entire hair into water, but if it's short, boil your water to hot boil your water to the level you want. Dip your thick towel, not just any towel, thicker towels, big ones, and you use the entire towel to wrap the hair to relax it. If not, it will look scanty. So make sure you do that, and voila, you have your hair looking amazing. Okay, you have your beautiful hair looking sumptuous. This is one of the videos that I've done on a lazy day without plan. I didn't actually plan this style, but it was just looking into my face, and I decided, you know what, I'm going to have voiceover for this video or edit it in a way that I love or like and post it for others to see. So if you find it helpful, I said it earlier, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more hair tutorials. Just like this, click. There's a subscribe button on the screen as you are watching this video. Don't forget to click on it and let me know in the comment section what you would like to see next. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and until now. All right, finally I'm done. Let's do a little spraying. I need to get up and go pick you, Abby. I'm finding a way to style this hair to make it look cute. Look at this hair. Look, it's so cute. This is my right, left, right? And this is the hair. So now what should I do? Spray it in a bit. So keep watching to the end how I'm applying. I said it earlier, for you to prevent the gel from flaking in your hair, do not forget to use the hot water method and also spray the hair. And after I finish spraying, I make sure I trim the hair a bit to get that even look, because that's the best look you'll ever have. So simple like that. I'm going out for I and my friend to go eat. And you know what, if you love this video and if you want to also share your idea on how to go about this video, don't forget to share it with us. I'm using a little bit of mousse to smooth it up a bit, and I appreciate your time here a lot. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've said this over and over again, and I'm still saying, do not forget to subscribe to my channel to see more of this. And have a nice day. Let me add a media. Go out there and have fun. Yeah, that's all life is for. Okay, 5 minutes up, yes. Or I should wait and come back. I'm in a hurry to take it off because I love the hair so much. Are you ready to try this hair? If you're ready to try, let me know what you think. Did you try? Let me know. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so we can bring you more videos like this, because we need your support to do more. Thank you everyone who joined. We need so much of your support to do more.